Welcome! Now I get LG Q6 and now I'm show you all models and settings on your camera. So go into the camera. On the bottom I get 3 buttons: photo, video and gallery. This button is back to home screen. On the top I get settings of camera, photo size, video resolution, timer, check location and another. Here I get mode of your camera. Maybe you can take a picture footage, flash jump cut, panorama or auto. Here I got a RGB resolution, for example it's vintage or urban. Here you can change back camera and front camera. Now I get front camera and now I get back camera. Here you can turn on your flashlight or flashlight auto or turn off. And the last option is auto rotate, auto resolution on photo or square resolution on photo. And you can change, for example, snapshot, match shot, grid shot, grid shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.